Alrighty guys, we done made it down to the city, man. Had to get some gas. Freaking that wind was blowing so hard it ate up all of our gas, man. So I'm thinking we can probably drop this one off first, just because I don't know if it's further in the city or out of the city to where I gotta go back and come, back again. So I don't know, I'm just trying to see right now, but it is time to get this thing to the winner, man. I can't wait to see what he thinks. Things gonna look good. That black on black look crazy. What y'all think, man? Alrighty guys, we done made it back to the bike. Time to get those freaking parts unwrapped and see how well they match up, man. Alrighty guys, we got those bags situated. However, I did all that and I literally forgot one freaking piece at home. These little bushings that actually hold the bags on the bike, man. So don't know. I'm gonna see if I can find some real quick. If not, I don't know. But we can see how well it matches up real quick, I guess, though. Alrighty guys, we got those bags on there. It actually is looking really good. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely is looking really good, man. Y'all let me know how well it match up. I like it though. We gotta go pick up the homie so we can get this thing to the winner though, man. Alright, man, y'all see I'm over here sweating. White pants is dirty, so on and so forth. Man, I'm just happy this bike is freaking done. It matches up good and it looks good, man. So I'm about to head over to Dre's real quick, pick him up, and then we'll come back and I'll hop on the CVO and we'll go take it to the winner, man. Can't wait to see his freaking face when he sees these bikes pull up, man. So let's get it going. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see my boy just pulled up, Mr. Kicks by Dre, man. Had to pull out that CVO and get a good look at that joint. Ooh, wait, that thing is looking freaking nice. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. We about to get it going. Not the very first start, but loud enough for sure. Definitely loud enough. So we gonna get it going and see what's up, man. Yo, 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 we just pulled up. My boy Gabriel. Yes, sir. The winner of not one bike, but 2 bikes. Man, y'all seen the ride here. That thing was freaking fun, dog. What do you think about the bike, man?
Hey, it looked better in person, man.
It looks better in person, right?
I could hear you sliding from down on. Well, I'm up here. I can hear you down
Yeah,
there.
way down the way, huh? Yeah, see, these pipes, man, you was right to keep these pipes on there. Like, these are something way different. Like, the stock pipes would not do justice on this bike. Because, like, this thing is already, like, bright as heck. So you need that noise. Watch when you see the video. People was moving out the way left and right. Like, so freaking loud, dog. So freaking loud. Really good looking bike. I'm loving it, man. This is, like, my favorite freaking bike. Especially after that last ride, man. Y'all know my boy Dre is about to pull up with the other bike. But this thing looks amazing, dog. He said he can't believe he won 2 bikes.
Hey, man, I got surprised. I bought 1 ticket each for each one. And
Right.
You know, when I won this one, you're like, hey, you got one for the next one? You want that?
Right.
Yeah, man, if I win.
Hey, that's funny. I did say that, huh?
Hey, but, I just want to let everyone know that we don't know each other, and it is what it is. I got lucky. I bought 1 ticket each, and I'm sorry that everyone thought it was rigged, but it's not.
Yeah. See, a lot of people was hating and stuff. They was like, man, there's no way. But it's like, no way, I would just sabotage my stuff. Like, I don't have no benefit of, like, giving you anything like that, just trying to, like, side cut a deal or anything. It's no benefit to me. But yeah, man, I'm loving it, dog. That thing is freaking sick. Sounds good, right? Beast. Freaking beast. I'm telling you, that thing is the one. Here we go. We got the other thing pulling up. Black mama back. Ain't with the oohs in her eyes. Ooh. Yeah, sir. Got that black thing, man. Not 1, but 2. What's your favorite one so far, man? What you think? What's your favorite one so far, dog?
Dude, I've always wanted that one, but I'm loving this one too.
You loving this one? Woo. Yeah, the black one is definitely the one, man. Y'all see my boy Built by Dre and pulled up, kicks by Dre. Yes, sir. Got it going here. Got that black thing.
Oh, nah, it's not, man. We used to rollerblade and skateboard down these hills.
Yeah, not me. Got that black one out. Let's hear it, man. It should have already been in neutral. I don't think it's on.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. We getting there, man. Don't worry. It's your first day, dog. Let's see. Okay. Y'all see my boy on that joint. Yes, sir. Yeah, see, I said this one was the more subtle one.
Yeah.
That one's definitely more ratchet. Yeah, for sure. I'm telling you. Yeah, the 110 is the one. It's a 107.
Okay.
Yes, sir, man. Uh-oh. First ride. Uh-oh. Let's see it. Let's see it, man.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it for sure. Let's go. Yes, sir. My boy slide and glide. Yeah. Yeah, see, he liked that one the most. He hopped on that one and rode it. I think that orange look hard. I gotta get some pictures of that before I go. Man, y'all see this orange, man. It's probably gonna be the last time we see this thing, but just have to get y'all a quick little view of that thing. That thing looks so good, man. My boy riding the black one right now. So we're gonna see. Got my boy Kicks by Dre in the cut, Built by Dre. Y'all seeing what's going on, man? Big Raptor. Oh my God, this thing look good on camera today. We waiting for him to come back, man. Yeah. How'd you like it, man? Yeah, I knew you liked this one a little bit more. He hopped right on this one. He was like, all right.
You said that one needs gas.
Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, though, man. It still got the tag on the tie, man, you know. Brand new thing, man. Brand new. Man, y'all tell me in the comments what he just said in Spanish. How you like it, man?
I like it, man.
You like it?
I'm gonna try to get on that one once I throw some gas.
Yeah, man, you gotta let me know how you like it, man. Y'all see my boy here got the joints, man, going up. Can't wait to see him sliding and gliding out there in traffic, man. So y'all see him, man, be sure to throw the deuces up, say what's up to my dog. Going up. But it's yours, man. I appreciate you, brother.
Oh, man.
Good looking out, man. Alrighty, man. The very last time we'll see these things together like this, I just had to get this for y'all. Oh my God. My guy got the joints, man. So me and my dog on slide, man. Alrighty, guys. We done made it back to the house, man. We done dropped off both of the freaking bikes, the 17 and the 14 CVO. My boy Gabriel is enjoying them things, I'm sure. That was a freaking long drive back, man. But without further ado, man, it's time to get these things going, man. This blue one is getting ready to head out to Arkansas tomorrow. And then the denim gray one is getting ready to head out to Philly as well tomorrow. And the Road Glide, it is up, man. So if you guys are interested in that Road Glide, man, be sure to enter the giveaway, man. To enter the giveaway, all you got to do is head over to Everything's Regular and copy your keychain right now. You'll be entered into the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide special. So once this thing is complete, it'll be heading out of here. It seems like it's going to be together pretty fast, being that the paint set will be here in the next couple days or so, man. So just getting the last little parts for this thing, so when that does come, it can flow that much more easier. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, for supporting. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in, man. But I'm freaking tired, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to freaking catch you guys tomorrow, dog. Peace.